Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change theme on Gmail app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your theme on Gmail app, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. After opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-line icon available for us. Tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface or panel will appear where you will be required to scroll down to the bottom of the screen or list. And over here you can see the settings option available for us. Just above the help and feedback, tap on settings, and then you land on this interface. Now you'll be required to tap on the general settings, which is at the top of the list. And over here you can see at the top of the screen there's the theme option available for us. Over here, tap on the theme section, and this kind of box will appear where you'll be able to either choose the system's default theme, the dark theme, or the light theme, depending upon your choice. Choose the theme and it will be set on Gmail app. With that being done, and there, this is how to change theme on Gmail app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.